A man throws a ball vertically upward in a compartment of the train which is moving with uniform velocity. The ball will fall. Option A is correct. Newton second is the unit of. Option D is correct. The rate of change of momentum of a body falling freely under gravity is equal to its. Option D is correct. A force of 6N acts horizontally on a stationary mass of 2 kilograms for force. The kinetic energy in joule is. Option B is correct. A car in motion hits and gets embedded in a tree trunk. What is conserved? Option D is correct. The time rate of change of linear momentum is. Option A is correct. Two bodies of mass m and 4m are moving with equal kinetic energies. The ratio of their linear momentum will be. Option C is correct. Newton second is the unit of. Option D is correct. The change in momentum of the body is equal to. Option C is correct. Projectile is thrown in such a way that its maximum height equals to its range. The angle of projection is. Option D is correct. The range of projectile is the same for two angles which are mutually. Option C is correct. Two projectiles are in flight at the same time. The acceleration of one relative to the other. Option D is correct. A hunter aiming a bird in a tree should aim. Option A is correct. Velocity of projectile at its maximum height is. Option B is correct. A ball is projected upwards. Its acceleration at the highest point is. Option C is correct. A stone is thrown upward from the top of a 59.4 m high cliff with an upward velocity component of 19.6 meters per second. How long is stone in the air? Option D is correct. The velocity of a projectile equal velocity added to its initial. Option D is correct. A stone thrown horizontally from the top of a tall building follows a path that is. Option D is correct. A basketball is thrown upward along a parabolic path. What is the ball's acceleration at its highest point? Option C is correct. At what angle should a projectile be fired in order for its range to be at maximum? Option B is correct. A missile is fired with a speed of 98 meters per second at 30 degrees horizontally. The missile is airborne for. Option C is correct. A bicycle travels 40 m in 5 seconds and then 24 m in 3 seconds. What is the average velocity? Option B is correct. An object moving in a circle at constant speed. Option D is correct. If a body moves with constant velocity of 10 meters per second towards north, then its acceleration is. Option A is correct. When a body moves with constant velocity, then its. Option B is correct. If you likes our videos, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.